Hello! Today for math we're playing grab and count. So you should have this, and I want you to print out 4 of them. So you'll do it 8 different times. And you should also have some ones blocks. So they're your little blocks. And you can put them in a bowl if you want or someplace, but you only need 9 of those, okay? So 9 ones blocks. And then you'll get some tens blocks here, okay? And you might want your 200 chart to help you in case some of your numbers go above 100, in case with your tens. So you can use that as a tool if you need it. Okay? So grab and count is the name of our game. And for some of ours, it's more like a pinch. So we could call it like pinch and count. Okay, so let me show you what I'll do. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little pinch of my tens blocks. Okay, I've got a pinch of tens blocks. Here's my pinch of tens blocks. Okay, there's my pinch. And then I'll get a pinch of my ones blocks. Let's see. Pinch. And you want to try and probably vary your pinches so you don't get the same ones every time, because that wouldn't really help you be learning. Okay, so here's my tens and my ones. And then I'm going to count by tens and ones and see what number I get. Ready? 10, 20, 30. Now remember, now we switched to ones. So 10, 20, 30 is by tens. And now 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so 34. Now we'll move over to our paper. So I'm doing it on the whiteboard, but you'll do it on your paper. This box is for recording the number. Do you remember what number it was? Yeah, we decided it was 34. So we'll put 34 there. And then I want you to draw a picture of the tens and ones that you have. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm going to draw that. 1, 2, 3 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Remember, those can be dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 34. I can check it again if I want to. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay, so there's my 34. Now, let's try it again. Now I'm going to try and pick one that goes above 100. Let me see if I have enough here to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll have enough to go to 10 right here. Hang on one second. I'll be back. Okay, now I have more in here, so I can go above 100. I want to show you what would happen if you do. So I'm going to grab some tens blocks. It's a lot this time. And then I'll get some ones blocks. And I'll do that many this time. Okay, now I have a lot of tens blocks on here. So I want to see if, I know easily how to count up to 100 with tens. So let's see if we can go beyond 100 in our counting of tens. Ready? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That I know how to do, okay? That's 100. So I'm going to use my chart to help me. I got all the way up to 100. Okay, so I did 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now what comes next? Yeah, 110. So this would be 110. And the next one would be 120. Okay. Whew. So we're all the way up to 120. And then, so let's look at it again. I have 3 ones. So here's 120. Now I have my 3 ones to add on. So 121, and I can use this to help me. 122, 123. Okay, so 123, and I'm going to look at my chart so I know how to write that. 123. Oh, that's a fun number to write because it's 1, 2, 3. 123. 3. Okay. And then, now I have to represent it with my tens and ones blocks. So I'm going to count and see how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 tens blocks. Ooh, that's going to be a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, 12 tens blocks and 1, 2, 3 ones. Okay. So I know that some of you know that we could switch out when we get to 100. We could switch out our tens blocks for 100 square. But for now today, we're just working with tens. Okay, so let's keep it just with tens. So there's 12 tens and 3 ones. 120. Okay, and that's what you'll be doing today. So you're going to take a pinch of ones blocks and take some tens blocks. If it feels really, really tricky for you to go over 100, then just take in your bowl, just take 9 of the tens blocks, and the highest you could get would be in the 90s, okay? So, but if you want to go over 100, then take some more. If you have more. I can't remember how many I was able to give each of you, but you could take the maximum amount if you want to. Okay, so go ahead, grab your tens and ones blocks, grab a pencil, and your grab and count papers. Have fun.